an AI coding assistant a complex question about your project, and immediately it starts burning through expensive context tokens. It spawns exploration agents that use commands like grep and glob, blindly guessing file paths and scraping through your directories. This happens because standard AI agents approach a codebase as a massive pile of raw text. When they look at your project, they see thousands of isolated documents rather than interconnected systems. Without a map, the AI loops endlessly in a discovery phase. It scans directories, pulls in irrelevant files, and consumes massive time before it even begins to formulate an answer. Relying on raw text search leaves these agents structurally blind. They are forced to navigate software engineering by playing a primitive, inefficient game of word search. CodeGraph solves this by acting as a local model context protocol, or MCP, server. Before the AI asks a question, CodeGraph hands it a pre-indexed map of your codebase's architecture. All of this happens entirely on your machine. There are no API keys required, and no proprietary code ever leaves your local drive. This side-by-side comparison shows exactly what happens to performance. On the left, querying the VS Code repository the standard way requires up to 52 separate file reads. On the right, CodeGraph drops that down to 3. Across multiple codebases, it averages 94% fewer tool calls and explores 77% faster. Look at how this scales up on the Swift compiler benchmark. CodeGraph maps over 25,000 files in minutes. When queried, the AI traces cross-cutting logic through the entire compiler with 6 quick calls and 0 manual file reads. By supplying the full architectural map upfront, the AI skips the entire discovery phase. It stops scanning text and starts retrieving answers instantly. The core difference lies in how the data is requested. Searching for a specific string of characters is a process of probability, hoping the word you find is the right variable in the right context. Querying a relational database is a process of logic. This chaotic stack of text files morphing into a clean web represents how CodeGraph actually stores your project. It catalogs every symbol relationship, call graph, and hierarchy directly into a fast, local SQLite database. When the AI needs to know what calls a specific function, it queries this database directly. It identifies verified call sites and symbol definitions, rather than estimating intent through keyword proximity. To maintain that accuracy, CodeGraph watches the project using native operating system file events. As you type, it debounces the changes and incrementally syncs the database in real time. The AI pulls its context from a live, structurally verified map of your logic that updates instantly alongside your keystrokes. Getting all that code cleanly into the database requires a specialized extraction layer. CodeGraph uses the tree sitter parsing engine to read the source material. These distinct shapes funneling into identical trees illustrate how the engine takes 19 languages and normalizes them into uniform, abstract syntax trees. Because of this, CodeGraph traverses logic seamlessly across boundaries, tracing a path from a Python backend directly into a REST library. And the architecture is highly resilient. If the native C build tools fail to compile on your machine, CodeGraph gracefully falls back to a WebAssembly version to ensure your database keeps running. The parsing engine normalizes the distinct syntax of every language into a single queryable schema that the AI can navigate without translation errors. This deep structural mapping enables advanced developer tools that operate independently of the AI chat window. This direct line connecting a web route to a controller shows a feature called framework-aware routes. CodeGraph automatically binds public-facing URL patterns directly to their backend logic controllers across 13 different web frameworks. This structural intelligence extends to your CI pipelines via the CodeGraph affected command. Notice how only this specific cluster lights up. By analyzing the dependency map, it runs tests only on files impacted by a recent change, avoiding wasted compute time. CodeGraph provides structural intelligence that scales up to optimize the entire software development lifecycle, from local exploration to remote deployment. If this saved you time, hit subscribe. We review tools like this every week, so you're always ahead. Now, if you liked this, you're going to love our breakdown of Claude Code, because while giving AI a map of our code makes it faster today, it won't be long until the AI starts rewriting the map itself.